What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you click that notification bell, make it turn gray, man. If you get any questions, comments, or opinions, man, make sure you leave it in the comment box below. It's your boy J Spice, man. Hey, listen, welcome to all my new subscribers, man. We done already came over that threshold of 1,000, and we steady trying to go up, man. We got some good clean car content over here, car truck content, man. We always working on something, we always fabricating something, we always customizing something. So I mean, you know, man, it don't take no energy, it don't take no time, it don't take no money, man. Just hit that like button, that subscribe button, man, and join the family, man, because we learn stuff over here. We do it together. We don't know everything, we ain't all perfect, baby, but man, we make stuff happen in this car world, and we keep these wheels turning. So yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy J Spice. We back on the Box Chevy today. Our Box Chevy, the Impala 85. Last video we left off on the Impala, man. We were putting the sound deadening in it. We got the Dakota digital hooked up. We got the lights, the headlights changed out. We done put new hoses on it, heater hoses, everything, radiator hoses. We done put everything on the car, man, right? So let's keep on trucking with the car, man. Y'all stay tuned. Turn the camera around, show you what we got going on today. This a big one. We finna make a big step on the car, man. So let me stop talking, rambling on. Let me turn the camera around, show you what we got going on today. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. In the last video, we was trying to get all this deadening in there, right? We got all that deadening in there, that sound deadening for the music. So we on the music again today. We gonna keep on going, baby. Ooh, look at that Amazon basic sound in the 80 mil in there, boy. Hey, yes, sir. Listen at this. Quarter pound solid. You know what I'm talking about? We gotta get some more. We're gonna do the trunk lid, the door panels, the roof, the floorboard. We're gonna do the whole inside of the cabinet of the car too. But today, since we got that done, here go the truck, man. It's dirty, man. Truck's still here. She dirty, boy. Ooh, she dirty. Look what I want to do, y'all. Ooh, I got 4 sheets of MDF and a sheet of 1/2 inch premium white wood birch. Like see what they say, premium wood veneer. Like it's like cabinet grade plywood, right? So we finna get started on the box for the two. We're going 215s. You know what I'm saying? If I ain't told y'all already, we're going sundown. So if you skip the video, somebody just don't know. We doing two ZV6 15-inch sundowns in the Box Chevy, and I'll let y'all know the rest of the power plant if y'all ain't seen it already. I'll let y'all know. We got some soup, we got some power, man. We got some juice going in this car, man. We ain't playing no game. I spun a bag. So yeah, I got some screws. I got some glue in my trailer. I gotta go get that glue too. I got some screws, some 2.5s and some 1 5/8. I went and got some of these automatic ratchet clamps where it tighten up when you ratchet it. Don't worry about that cover out, you know what I'm saying? Got my tape measure. Like I said, I got some glue. Let me see. I got some glue up in here somewhere. Oh yeah, got some glue right here. Man, shout out to my boy Steve Davis. Steve Davis said that tight bond premium wood glue was the best that he came across. So I got that tight bond premium wood glue, water resistant, exterior. That's what my boy Steve Davis said, man. So I'm gonna take his word on that one, and we're gonna check that tight bond out, see what she's talking about. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get all my tools and stuff out, and I got some measurements. We finna get the cutting, man. We're gonna do double walls, triple baffle, baby. We gotta have that stability, we gotta have that strength. Stay tuned, it's finna get real. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, I made my first cut. You see what I'm saying? Made my first cut. I cut the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So I took this sheetrock angle and I put it on there like that. You know what I'm saying? On the board, measure the board where I want. Take that clamp, put that clamp on it like that and clamp it down. And I can run that run that skill saw, that battery powered skill saw, right down the side of it, get a nice clean straight cut. Nice clean straight cut. Nice clean straight cut. Just like a machine. Now I done set it in here, my bottom piece, and test fitted, and it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a few more than, about 4 or 5 more than. I need 3 for the top, 2 for the bottom. I might do just single bottom and double baffle sides, walls, and triple baffle top. But yeah, she looking good. 26 long by 46 wide. I'm gonna try to see if we can get some air in this girl. Yes sir. Y'all hold on. I'm making way, baby. Yes sir. Alright y'all, I got my baffles and my bottom plate done. Got them all cut out. Triple baffle. I guess I'm gonna do single floor. I don't know if I'm making a bad decision with that or not, but I got the baffles cut out in the bottom. So now I'm gonna work on the sides and the port. So yeah man, y'all stay tuned. We working on it, baby. Yes sir. Getting it done over here. Yes sir. Oh yeah. Ooh, alright YouTube. It been about 3 hours, man. I'm still working on the box, but I done made some progress, man. As y'all can see, I've been out here getting it. I only got 1 sheet left on the back of the truck. I don't know, that white sheet over there, that's for the console and the back deck over there. But yeah, I've been working, man. That's one of my baffles right there. I'm trying to do triple baffle, man, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do triple baffle, man. I don't think I got enough room in the trunk hitting the top of the box. But I got the box, you know, laid out, sketched out, dry fitted up, nothing glued, nothing screwed, nothing, just sitting up here like Legos right now. I'm trying to make sure before I drill any holes, I get this right the first time. Think I got it right. Think I got it going in the right direction. So let me show y'all what I got going on. Boom. Ooh, y'all wasn't expecting that, was you? Alright. So we got double walls. Double walls. We're gonna do double walls all the way around, right? You know what I'm saying? And I think I'm gonna do like a 6.5 inch port, maybe 7 inch port. I wasn't really sure if I want to fire the speakers up, port back, or you know, both speakers fire back and port back too. But them subs so big, I'm not even gonna be able to put them firing them back. I'm gonna have to put them facing up, and they might, when they have an excursion, they might hit the trunk lid. So I'm just gonna have to take that and roll with it. And I can't do triple baffle because I ain't got enough room. It's hitting the top of the trunk. So yeah, I don't know. I guess we're gonna double baffle this thing all the way through and hope it hold through. Hope it hold together. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this thing up, man. I'm gonna get this box Chevy put up. We're gonna pick this thing back up in the morning. See if we can get this thing finished up. Looking good though. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. It's a big box. Can't even really tell on the camera, but yeah. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Let me show y'all them gauges one time. Show y'all them gauges one time. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Yes, Lord. Them gauges look good, don't they? I like them, man. Oh yeah. Y'all leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about them lights, boy. Yes, sir. Let me go turn the headlights on for y'all too, so y'all get some of that. Some of that. Hold on, let me get my phone too. My phone about to go dead, see if I got enough juice. Oh, my phone dead, I can't turn the halos on. Oh. 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 So much better than them yellow junks. We changed that top radiator hose today. I changed both of them old heater hoses today. You know what I'm saying? So, she's pretty legit. We finna go ahead and turn up on this music and get this music put in this car, and then we finna go and do this sunroof and this headliner. We're gonna put them stars in the ceiling and everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell y'all, we not playing, man. Yes, sir. But look, it's getting late, the sun going down. I'm about to feed these animals. I'll bring y'all back in the morning when we get started on this thing. You know, we're gonna try to finish it up and see if we can blow the trunk off this thing. You know what I'm talking about? I'm trying to tear it up. I'm trying to tear it up. But we're gonna settle down though. We still got a long way to go. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all when I pick the camera back up and I'm back on this wood, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I'm making progress. Got the box pretty much mapped out. Got the glue going on the first top piece, so we can put this double baffle on here. I got all my pieces cut out. Only thing left I gotta do is finish putting it together. There go my port. Ain't nothing put together. These boards are just sitting here. All these boards just sitting here because I want to sand and make sure I get my gaps as tight as possible. But I just want to update y'all real quick that, yeah, man, I only got one full sheet left. Got a couple more pieces left. And I'm working on it, man. I'm almost through. Ooh, I think that's like 18-inch port, 13 inches wide. I mean tall, about 6 inches wide, I believe. But yeah, I got the glue down. I'm finna get ready to lay this top baffle on it, staple it down. Clamp it down, let it dry, and then we're gonna cut the hose out. Y'all stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. Still out here getting it in. You know what I'm saying? It's dark. I'm trying to get this baffle cut. That baffle thick, boy. She thick. If I got one cut, got one about 70% cut. Finna wrap it up for the day. I almost got it done, but I done had a couple people stop by and stop me and stuff, so, you know. Yes, sir. Double baffle all the way around. I got the faceplate to go on the front when I finish the top baffle, so it's gonna be a double baffle in the front. The only thing gonna be single is the port. So yeah, man, we got that going, and I got the amp rack done today. Yeah, sir. Got them soldiers back there, know what I'm talking about? Yeah, sir. Oh yeah. Stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I got that box pretty much together. Got my port built. Got all my 45s, put in all my corners and all my braces. You know what I'm saying? Got that one in the middle to try to direct the little wind as much as possible. Got a few bulges here and there, you know, but she looking real good. I just did the bottom. So yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned for the ready to put that double baffle on there. Got the double baffle cut out. It's ready to go. About to get ready to put that on there. I'm finna get ready to hit it with that sand to make it kind of smooth. And then I'm gonna put it on there. I'm finna get ready to run that glue. Whew, I ran out of one. That boy Steve Davis tell me about this glue, man. That glue, the truth too, it gets super hard, boy. So yeah, I'm finna get ready to run some glue around the top and set the baffle on and yeah, screw that baffle down, and I think I'm gonna hang it up on this for the day, and I'm finna get over here on this truck and start sanding on this truck a little bit at the bottom, get the rest of that glue off the bottom, very bottom down there, and start pulling that big dent out the bed so we can get it painted, get it out of here. But yeah, man, there she go. Y'all stay tuned. Gotta put a few more screws, few more little glue. But we're gonna get this double baffle on and we're gonna go and get this thing done for the day. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. And we got this thing together. Yes, sir. Double baffle. Thick. I like that thick stuff, man. We love it thick. You know what I'm talking about? Got them 45 braces in there. All the way around. Everywhere. Directional. Yeah. She's solid too. Look at that. Look at that. I need a hammer. Ooh. Okay.